Hey guys, shrimp and corn chowder topped with bacon is on the menu today. Let's do it. So guys, I want to let you know that the recipe will be in the description box, but we're going to go ahead and get started. As you can see, the first thing I'm doing is I'm adding my bacon to the Dutch oven, in which I'm going to be making my corn and bacon chowder out of. Okay, now I am doing the first batch of bacon that I cut in half. And in the end, what we want to do is get rid of all that grease and only keep about a tablespoon. Here, I am going to go ahead on and start cutting up my onions. I'm going to get everything nice and cut, but I want it to be a little chunky. I want this chowder to be really hearty. Really hearty, guys. I want to be able to bite into all the different flavors that I'm going to be adding to this chowder. Guys, the onions are done, but I'm still on bacon duty, so I'm going to go ahead and complete frying all the bacon and getting it fried, and then we can move on to the next ingredients. Okay guys, now I have added my shrimp to that tablespoon of bacon oil that I left in my Dutch oven. I'm going to go ahead and get these shrimp cooked. The liquid from the shrimp is blending with that bacon oil, so it's going to be delicious. So stay with me guys. Okay guys, now it's time to take out the first batch of shrimp. We're going to also do another batch of shrimp. I can just imagine the flavor on these shrimp coated in that bacon grease. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to go ahead and get these cooked up guys, and we're going to move on. So shrimp and bacon are set aside. Now it's time to saute some onions in this bacon oil. And now, or you can just, might as well say what it really is. It's bacon grease, okay? So now we're going to get these onions sauteed in. To these onions, I added a tablespoon of garlic. And like I said, all this information will be in the description box below. And so I'm going to just go ahead and mix that all in, and we're going to move on to get this process done. Now guys, we're about to add a very important ingredient to this onion and garlic blend, let's go ahead and pour in our corn. And I'm using a nice sweet frozen corn. I'm going to go ahead and give that a good mix because I want everything to be nice and blended before we add in our chicken broth. Guys, I don't know how you all supposed to see that, but that was some thyme, and I'm adding that along with some pepper flakes. Put a little bit in, I realized that's not enough, so I put some more pepper flakes in. Now I want everything to just simmer before we add the next ingredient. No stirring, just let those flavors just mesh for a minute. Now we're going, guys. Now we're going. We got a nice boil going. I decided to add some black pepper, and then I remember, okay, this is a little bit too much. Let me take some of this black pepper out. It's not, you can always fix your stuff, guys. So we just added in the half and half, and now we are halfway there. Now it's time to add the shrimp, guys. The shrimp is the main attraction in this dish. It's going to give it so much flavor, and it's also going to give it that texture when we have something to bite into. So I'm going to go ahead on and let that just kind of cook down into the chowder, and then we're going to come back. We're going to see how, trying to turn it down a little bit more to make sure it is cooking nice and slow so it can get nice and creamy. Okay guys, so now all we're doing is letting this good stuff cook down, letting all the flavors blend, and just letting it cook nice and smooth all the way down. And then I'm gonna just do a little taste test to make sure we got everything right. And when I taste it, guys, it was right. So now guys, I am ready to serve. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today, making this delicious corn and shrimp chowder. All you have to do now is top it with that bacon, guys, and enjoy. See you in the next video. Bye.